Hey kids, it's Miss Hale. I know I'm not here today, but I wanted to let you know what's expected. Miss Carmichael will be here today, and today you will be working out of your workbook. And I know that we have not done that yet, but I went over it yesterday. The pages that you will be doing are going to be review. Some of the information may be new to you, but it specifically gives you the page numbers in your textbook that you can use to help find those answers. So make sure that you're using your text and you're reading that information in your book, and then you're filling out your workbook. You may write in your workbook, so um, do that. You will not be tearing the pages out of your workbook upon completion, okay? I want you using every minute wisely. You know what's expected. If I am not here, I expect you to be better than if I were here, okay? Do not let your name get left by Miss Carmichael. I'm certain that you will live up to what I said about you, and you will show her what great kids you are. The workbook pages that you are going to work on today for periods 3, 4, and 5, and are pages 235 through 242. Now, these pages cover the eclipses, it covers moon phases, it covers the seasons. So all of those components that we've talked about with the earth, the sun, and the moon. Again, you will use your textbook, look these up, and then write your answers in your workbook. If you get finished, you can kind of quiz yourself on some of the vocabulary by completing page 252. I have also left some additional pages with Ms. Carmichael should you not be working and she needs to assign some additional pages. These should keep you busy pretty much the entire period. If you're using your time wisely, you do not need to complete these for homework. If you are not using your time wisely, she does have the authority to assign those for homework. And I know that none of you want homework on Halloween. Okay, I do not want you to have homework on Halloween, so make sure that you are working using every minute wisely. Okay. As far as things that you could do when you are finished with the workbook, if you finish the workbook, you need to definitely make sure that your vocabulary activity for this unit is rubric ready, ready to turn in on Tuesday. Our test over this material will be Tuesday, November the 5th. We will be reviewing on Monday, as well as I will have a review session Monday afternoon after school. If you maybe have missed a day or two, or you've gotten behind, or some of these concepts still seem really unclear to you, that may be a good thing to get a tutor ticket from me or from Miss Carmichael if you have not done so already. Make sure that you have that with you on Monday afternoon. I cannot let you stay without it, okay, without a parent signature. Also, you need to make sure that your Eclipse foldables and for the eclipses and your foldable for the moon phases are also rubric ready and ready to turn in on Tuesday. Okay. If there's any other questions, feel free to send it to me on Edmodo. I will be checking it periodically, but it may not be immediate that you get a response, but I will be checking it periodically and can try and answer any questions that you may have over that. I am putting, if you have not submitted your electronic version of vocabulary on Edmodo, make sure that you go ahead and do that so that if there's any type of glitch, we can get it worked out by Tuesday. Okay, it must be submitted by Tuesday electronically in order for it to not be considered late. If you are doing your vocabulary on a paper version and you're doing the fill in the blank worksheet, then make sure that you're ready to turn that in, that you have the fill in the blank worksheet done using your sentences that you created. The blank in the fill in the blank would be where the vocabulary word would go. Your word bank for that would be the 14 vocabulary words. Behind your fill in the blank worksheet, make sure that you have an answer key as well as your definitions and your pictures for the words. Okay. Again, double check your rubric, make sure everything is done correctly and it's ready for Tuesday. That is all. You don't have any homework for me. However, you know where you are in your vocabulary activity. I know that many of you are already done, so you may want to go on and submit it through Edmodo. If it's a paper version, you need to type through Edmodo that you did it on paper, and we'll be turning it in on Tuesday. If it's electronic, make sure that you attach the link, the file, or let me know that it's Edmodo flashcards. Okay. For those of you doing Edmodo flashcards, I realize that there is a glitch right now with uploading the pictures. So I'm going to bypass the pictures for those. Okay. All right. Have a super day. Be safe tonight for Halloween. And I will see you on Monday.